Joe Beermaster. I have a 2005 BMW X3. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the door panel off. This window is not working. And we're going to take the door panel off to see what is going on in here. May have to change the regulator. So what we have to do is, there's 4 bolts that hold this on. There's one that's under a little cover by the door handle. One under the wood grain here. You just pry that off. Pry that little cap in there to get that hex head screw out. You pry that wood cover off, work it very slowly. And there's one under here. You have to pull the cap out, and there's one in there. There's a hex head socket, hex head bolt, 4 of them. There's a hex head right there. And I don't know what it is, T27. So once we have them all loose, we're going to get a big screwdriver and start prying from the bottom, because there are clips holding it. Carefully, we're going to pull that out. Keep working it out till we get all these clips. And then once you have them all loose, we're going to lift it up. And then we're going to disconnect some of these items here, and then take a look inside. Now we got that apart. We want to get this foam off here to see what's going on inside. This is glued in pretty tight. Just keep working it off. But it will come off. Alright, so now we got it all apart. I raised the window up. And we're going to turn the power on. And make sure the lock is off. And we're going to see what's going on in here. So you can see the motor is working. It's bringing the window down, but it's not pulling it up. Alright, so the regulator only works on going down, not going up. So it could be a weak motor, it could be the regulator. So I'm going to take the glass out. You can see there is a little clip here. This hooks in. Pretty much have to get that clip to go through the glass, and then we'll slide it off. We'll do that with a screwdriver.